Hey guys, welcome back to Learn AI, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Google AI Studio account. Now, the first thing I want to mention, in order to get this account you need to have an active Google account, right? So you want to ensure that you have an active Google account and you sign into Google. Now, all you have to do is simply open up your browser and type in Google AI Studio. That's it. And once you type this in Google, you will see that the link towards that is aistudio.google.com. All you have to do is head over to that page and you will see that you are automatically signed into the AI Studio for Google. So you'll have a pop-up here where you need to just accept, right? So go ahead and accept some terms here. And once you do that, you're right in. And that's it. That's how easy it is, guys, to create a Google AI Studio account. If you want to learn more about this, I'll be sharing much more videos coming out showing you how to use this and giving you a tour of what this account, of what the Google AI Studio has to offer. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.